All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted 10K solid gold grill set. These are actually single caps, guys. You can see the definition in between each tooth. Super nice, defined. This is because these are individual caps, guys. And they're 10K solid gold. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can choose a top, bottom, or a set. This is actually an 8 top, 8 bottom, so it's a nice full set of teeth, top and bottom. But that's your choice. Check us out online, blingcartel.com. Quality, it's handmade work. Beautiful grills, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.